बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल प्री स्कूल आइडियाज़। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि सब खैरियत से होंगे। प्लीज़ बिफोर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज़ fruit names with their benefits. Here are some fruit names along with their benefits for kids. Apples. Apples are a crunchy and tasty fruit that provide fiber and vitamins to support healthy digestion and immune function. Banana. Bananas are soft and sweet fruit that are packed with potassium, which helps with muscle function and can prevent cramps. Oranges. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and keep kids feeling energized. Grapes. Grapes are small and easy to eat, and they contain antioxidants that can help protect kids. Strawberries. Strawberries are a sweet and colorful fruit that are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are great for maintaining healthy skin and a strong immune system. Watermelon. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit that is perfect for hot summer days. It contains lycopene, which is good for heart health. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that is sweet and tangy. It contains an enzyme called bromelain, which aids digestion and can help prevent tummy troubles. Mango. Mangoes are a tropical fruit that is sweet and juicy. They are high in vitamin A and C, which are essential for good vision and a strong immune system. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small fruit with a fuzzy brown exterior and bright green flesh. It is rich in vitamin C and fiber, which are important for healthy growth and digestion in kids. So, these fruits are not only delicious but also provide important nutrients for growing kids. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, I'll be back with my new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.